Hi guys, so today is day 37 of me being a billionaire. I don't know why I have made everything about money. Why do I start my video with a question? I guess maybe I have so many questions. So, I don't know what, but why it's, I don't know the answer. So, let's just keep it as an answer. If anyone have an answer, please tell me. As if anyone is watching my video. So, what I truly want in my life today, I was going to start fresh, start over again. I this happened many times a year when I have to start over because things get pile up, I get overwhelmed. I am feeling so many things. That means so much is going on in my life. So we are on day 37, but what happened on day 26? It was hell lot of thing going on tomorrow. No, sorry, yesterday. Like there was a thing going on with my parents. They got viral or something. There was a thing going on with my sister's friend. It was very cute thing, guys. Someone have a crush on her. She have a crush on her, but she is in a bad relationship. It's a kind of cute romantic story if it's true, but we are not sure if he likes her or not. But we are sure she have certain kind of feeling for him. But we hope he likes him. We have kind of hints that he likes her, but we want him to like her. It will be a very just like a story out from drama. We are fangirling for her, me and my sister. We hope she get all the happiness of in this world. She live her life again. She is a very beautiful soul, as per my sister described. I have never met her. Just spoke once or twice. She is beautiful inside out. She is just like a lead of a drama. She deserves all the love. She is the sweetest soul my sister has ever met. And if my sister says that, that's true because my sister is also very innocent and sweet. Yeah, so that's what all happened yesterday. I'm telling it like it's a nothing happened good thing, but yesterday I'm not able to think. My brain was all occupied by all these constant stress till today. When I woke up in the morning, I was like, does he like her? Does he have feeling? Because she is such a cool person. She's like, I don't wanna give my brain stress or think about these things. So she is directly gonna address this to him. I was like, why is she telling him when she's not sure if we like her or not? Like the things we complicate so much. She doesn't. She's like, I'll ask him if he likes me. We'll think where the things goes. Otherwise, we'll stop it. Like I'll try to not think anything about him or not to talk to him. She don't want to. She's cool, bro. She's cool. You directly tell her that I kind of feel something for you. Oh, she's cool. I don't know what she's gonna talk. I'll get to know later today, but she's cool. I would never have done that because I am not confident enough, not confident, not bold enough, I guess. This take lot of courage that she has. And today my plan is to find out what do I really want to do in my life. Basically, I want to be happy no matter what, no matter how my life is going on. I want to be happy, be grateful for things I have. Actually, I have built a kind of personality where I tend to not tend like I am grateful, but I don't speak about it. So it basically like I am not grateful. If I don't speak, I don't give thanks, credit. I don't feel that I am grateful for it. Like when the thing, yeah, how am I speaking? When the thing is done, like after a month or so, I will be like, oh, that time was great. I should have been grateful. But I don't want to live my life like that. I want to be grateful for every single thing that God have given me, people do for me. I just don't appreciate people or things around me. Normally, like when I'm in good mood, of course I do so, but normally it's not like I don't appreciate at all, but I don't appreciate always. I want to be like whenever someone do good thing for me or anything good happens, small, big, it's never small actually. It's always a big thing. So I will be grateful. I will be happy. I want to learn things. I want to work on my mood. The things no one can take away from me. My mood, my personality, my knowledge, my skills. These are the things no one can ever take from me. I want to work on them. Of course, being rich is a part of all these things. I cannot let go of that thought. But these are the things how I want to live my life. It's just a goal that I want to be rich in my life. But all these things are the part of like how I want to live my life. What will be the journey? So that's all for today. Thank you guys. I am not I feel like I have a personality of going viral, but not my thoughts actually. That's why I'm just just putting my thoughts out, knowing that no one, not ever. People are not going to invest their time in this this is not nonsense. Yeah. Another thing is that I'll never speak ill about myself or negative because I talk a lot of nonsense about myself. Like I am stupid, of course, insecurity about looks. When I'm happy, I'm like, oh, I'm beautiful. Otherwise, I'm like, what even I have. I don't have any skill. I've never achieved anything in my life. These kind of nonsense thought I have. That I don't deserve anything because I have never achieved anything in my life. Constant comparison which I had with my sister because she is a ace. She is good in study, she is good in sport, she is just an ideal kid every parent could have. And I am a opposite. I would say I have studied a year in my entire life. If I calculate every minute which I would have studied in my whole life, it would be, I'll say, less than a year. I have never studied in my life. During school also, my sister used to study. And I used to be like, I'll open the book there and sit. So that my mom doesn't scold me that I'm not sitting. So it's have been my habit to open the book and just sit. And I don't study, I just act I'm studying. Hoping one day I'll study. So my biggest goal during college was that I want to work hard like people do when they want to achieve. They are like restless at night, they're working, they're studying. That kind of I had a dream because I've never done that. Yeah, so it's not like so yeah, since childhood I have been compared, so now it's somewhere inside me that I compare myself with my sister unknowingly. Like you can see my past video which I posted that I don't like my sister. It's not that I don't love her, but it's just because of all these comparison. I feel like I am somewhere less than her, and of course every sibling fights, so we fight a lot and we speak things which hurt other. It's not like I am pure, but I think not most of the time is my problem. Like it's just 50-50. Why am I talking about family problems here? Yeah, that's all. What did I say? I said I want to work on my mood, skill, knowledge, and always say positive about myself. Otherwise, I don't say. Thank you guys. Bye, 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 bye.